Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. Today we're going to be drawing
Little mermaid.
Were you swimming up the wall? Are you a mermaid?
No.
Oh, do you wish you were? Yeah, that would be cool.
Yeah.
Alright, should we get started?
Yeah.
Alright, once again we're going to start with the eyes.
It's like Belle's eyes.
Yeah. So we do the rainbow and then the underneath one. And then a little nose.
Can we start with the other?
And then, yeah, the other eye. And then the underneath part.
I did the underneath part and then this part.
Okay. And you can have her looking wherever you want. I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to give her a black pupil circle. And I'm just going to leave a little highlight in it. So circle, another circle inside of it, and a highlight left. Very good. Okay, and now we're gonna do some eyelashes first. And then this way too. Very cute. And then yeah, smile. Oh, that's cute. Okay, and then eyebrows.
Is this
Perfect.
eyebrow like hers? Like this one is very tiny.
Okay, now we're gonna do her hair. So her bangs, you need kind of like a swoop this way. Can you do a little pizza shape right there? And then another one right next to it.
It's like long.
And then it curves. And then it goes around and over. Very good. All right, and then right here, we're gonna draw a line. It goes up and then it curves over. So just up to here. Perfect, because you already drew your curve over. And then we're gonna give her a little cheek, and then it's gonna come down under her chin, and then around up here to there. Wow, good job. And then we're gonna give her an ear over here, C shape. And now let's finish her hair. Okay, so come over here by this swoop, and we're gonna do another one that follows it. Up, and then stop.
Swoop, swoop, stop.
Good. And then it's gonna swoop up higher, and then down. Cool. So we're gonna draw another line right here that comes down and out. Good. And then now we're gonna come back down from our little swoop up. No, down at the edge, yeah. And then we're gonna curve down. Yeah, and then curve
That
it
was
down.
not room for my hair.
So you want it to curve in and then back over.
Like a slice.
Okay. All right, now we're gonna leave the hair for a little bit, and we're gonna do her neck. There's two little lines right there. Can you do her neck?
Oh yeah. It's starting going to be like that here.
And then we're gonna draw a line straight over right here for her shoulder. And then we're gonna draw a diagonal line down for her arm.
Can we finish this?
Yeah, and then it kind of curves a little more like that.
Like this?
And then you can draw her hand. draw some thin fingers. And then, yeah, you bring it back up.
Then this way.
Okay, let's do her her seashells for her swimsuit. So you're gonna do a curved line this way.
It's like
A curve. A curved line this way. And then we're gonna draw some seashell ridges. And then, yeah, it goes the same the other way, where you do a curved line out that way. And then do some ridges for the seashell, and then it meets up. All right. So now you can draw a line in the middle. Yeah, and then do her shoulder. And then a hand down. I mean her arm going down. And then you can do her hand going that way if you want. So I'm gonna have her hand kind of making this shape. But you can do your hands however you want. Okay, so now we need to do a line down from the seashells. And then it makes kind of this V shape. Okay, can you do a line back up? And then her belly button is in the middle of that V. Yeah. And then this line goes up to her armpit for me. For you, it doesn't. And then this a little line next to the seashell. Okay, so now her fin, you're gonna have this little curved line right here. And then you're gonna do another curved line over here. And then we're gonna do a line coming in here.
You're touching me.
And then her bum right here. And then it curves down. And it curves this way. And then this line comes over here. And it makes kind of like what would be her knees if she was a human. And then it comes together right here. And then we're gonna draw.
Her was going to be a human.
Yeah. And then a
Because
curved
that
line that way.
Little person octopus turn her to a person.
Yeah. So we drew a fin that way.
Going to
And then we're gonna do another fin going down this way and then back up to there. Okay, so now I can finish her hair. Do you want to finish her hair with me? Okay, so under her armpit, we're gonna draw a curved line, and then it goes behind over here, and then it curves in and in like this. So that's that side of her hair. It kind of floats because she's underwater. And then it comes behind her back, and then it meets up over here. And that's how you do it. Oh, very good. I love it. Okay. I think that's everything. Now we can color it. I hope you'll take the time to color your picture. You can pause it and use my picture as a reference. And I would love to see how yours turned out. So tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram, and then you can show me your pictures. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.